2022 Jaguar I-Pace. $69,900, starting MSRP. After going into hibernation for the 2021 model year, the Jaguar I-Pace returns for 2022 with a new infotainment system, more driver assist technology and faster charging capability. Gone are the electric SUV's S and SE trims, leaving the top house as the only available model. With no upgrades to its powertrain or performance, the I-Pace takes on competitors like the Tesla Model X and Y, Ford Mustang Mach-E and Audi e-tron, promising to be what Jaguar calls an easier-to-live-with electric SUV. Faster charging. The 2022 I-Pace gets a new standard 11 kW onboard charger for faster AC charge times, home or public AC charge stations. Previously, I-Pace owners had a capability of 7 kW on 230 volts to charge the SUV from empty to 100% in 12.9 hours. With a compatible home charging unit, the 2022 I-Pace can fully charge in 10.2 hours, according to a Jaguar spokesperson. The 11 kW onboard charger makes the I-Pace more competitive from a convenience standpoint to the Ford Mustang Mach-E, 10.5 kW, and Audi e-tron, 9.6 kW. On a 100 kW public DC fast charger, Jaguar says the I-Pace will replenish up to 63 miles of range in 15 minutes, or from 0 to 80% in 40 minutes or 85 minutes on the more common 50 kW DC chargers. The Mach-E can add 61 miles of range on a 10-minute charge with a 150 kW DC fast charger, while the Audi e-tron uses DC 150 kW fast charging to get an 80% charge in 30 minutes. Even the faster charging is still a far cry from Tesla superchargers that on a 250 kW supercharger can add up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes. Not all Tesla superchargers are 250 kW units, however. Infotainment and driver assist upgrades. The 2022 I-Pace gets Jaguar's new Pivi Pro infotainment system, which is faster and more responsive, according to the automaker. With 2 taps, drivers can access 90% of tasks from the home screen. The system also makes charging the I-Pace on the go more convenient by showing available charging stations and estimated charge times. Drivers can add charging stations to the EV navigation system, which will automatically optimize the route and drive times. Jaguar also enhances its software with over-the-air capability to keep maps up to date. New driver assist technologies in the 2022 I-Pace include an available 3D surround camera and available clear-sight rear-view mirror. Thanks to a rear-facing camera, ClearSight shows a view of the road behind the vehicle on a frameless rear-view mirror display that isn't obstructed by passengers or cargo like a traditional mirror. These optional new features join standard driver assist systems like adaptive cruise control with steering assist and stop and go, head-up display, emergency braking, blind spot assist and traffic sign recognition. Performance and range. The 2022 I-Pace's dual-motor powertrain carries over, making 394 horsepower and 512 pounds-feet of torque. The SUV has a 0-60 mph time of 4.5 seconds, which is a full second behind the Ford Mustang Mach-E GT Performance Edition's 3.5 seconds and 2 seconds slower than the Tesla Model X Plaid Sprint. The I-Pace beats the 2021 Audi e-tron's 5.5 second in the 0-60 race, according to manufacturer specifications. The I-Pace is powered by a 90 kWh battery for an estimated all-electric range of 234 miles, a slight advantage over the Audi e-tron's EPA estimated 222 miles. The 2021 Mach-E's range estimates outperform the I-Pace with a maximum 305 miles with a rear-wheel drive Mach-E. The faster GT Performance Edition is targeting 235 miles, while the Model X leads the entire pack with an estimated 360 miles for its long-range model. Pricing and release date. Even though the I-Pace is only available in the house trim for 2022, there is only a slight price increase over the 2020 base model. The house now starts at $71,050 including the destination charge, up from $71,000 starting price for the 2020 base model. The I-Pace carries a higher starting price tag than the 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E GT $61,000 and the 2021 Audi e-tron $66,995, but it undercuts the 2021 Tesla Model X's starting price of $91,190. The 2022 I-Pace comes with standard heated and cooled leather front seats, LED headlights, powered tailgate, and 20-inch gloss dark gray wheels. The I-Pace goes on sale in August 2021 with customer orders beginning this week.